In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your tax forms on Cash App. Taxes are due soon, so you'll need the information on these forms to plug in when you do them. First, you want to go to the icon in the top right corner. This is going to be your profile. From here, you can scroll down and tap on Documents. This will give you all of the documents that you need. If you've earned money, bought, or sold with any of these methods, you'll probably need to put this information into your taxes. For example, I earned money with savings, so I could go to my tax documents and I'm going to want to go to 2024 tax year 1099 INT. And then like here in the middle, it's going to show interest income that I earned. And I'll need to plug this in somewhere when I do my taxes. And you can also do your taxes on Cash App. Just come to the money screen, scroll down, and you can do your 2024 tax return right here. It's actually very simple. I have a full tutorial video on that as well, so you can check it out. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.